Hello everyone, Happy New Year! Today I'm gonna be unboxing the Micomlan LED desk lamp. Alright, let's take a look at the packaging first. As you can see, it is simple, minimalistic with a picture of the lamp on the front. Inside the box we have the lamp itself, a user manual, and a power adapter. And that's pretty much it inside the box. This lamp has 7 rotatable joints with 3 ultra bright light bars. It weighs 2.5 pounds. And this light has 1500 lumens with 24 watts. This light bar has 4 touch buttons, 2 buttons to turn on the light bars, 1 for temperature adjustment, and 1 for brightness. The left and right light bars angle can be adjusted. You can easily change its direction, allowing it to point upwards, downwards, or sideways depending on your needs. Here's the metal clamp that can easily attaches to the edge of your desk, and you can adjust it to a maximum thickness of 2.5 inches. Here's the connection for your power. The rotatable head and adjustable clamp makes it versatile. There are so many options for me to light my desk. I can bounce it to the wall or make it direct light downwards. For the light bars, you can separately turn them on if you don't want to use them both. You can leave the middle bar on and turn off the sidebars, or you can switch the other way around. To adjust the light temperature, you can use the second button by tapping it. To adjust brightness, use the third button. Now let me show you guys how it looks like on my desk, adjusting the brightness and temperature range. As you can see, when I adjust the light temperature, it slowly changes the brightness accordingly to a comfortable level. That is when your auto dimming mode is turned on. You can turn it on by pressing the rightmost power button for 2 seconds until smart light sensor turns on. Overall, I'm really impressed with the Micomlan LED desk lamp. It's stylish, functional, and easy to use. The reason why I chose this lamp from Amazon is because the space you can save on your desk and the sleek modern design. I've been using this light for 3 weeks now, and so far I have no issues with it. I noticed that the light bar gets warmer as it stayed on for a long time, but I have never experienced overheating so far. I think that's all normal for most lights. If you're looking for a new desk lamp that won't break the bank while still delivering top-notch performance, I highly recommend checking this one out. I will leave the link on the description below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Happy New Year!